water, sugar, palm oil contains 2% or less of sodium. Contains a milk detail.
What you doing, Chan?
Reading store-bought creamer ingredients.
Oh, okay. So keep going. What you got on it? What's in there?
Detail, deposit oil. I'm not gonna put it in my body. Not gonna put that in my body.
So what do you think about what are all these ingredients here? What do they sound like? Just a bunch of what?
Chemicals!
All right, that's what they do to you too. This stuff here, this is what's in your regular Delight vanilla coffee creamer. And today, we're gonna show you how to make homemade coffee creamer that's easy and it's just 4 ingredients. All right, let's go ahead and get started.
Chemicals! Macros!
Okay, so for this, we're gonna need just some half and half. Don't get the fat-free stuff because what's that? Half water, half milk? What is half? Fat-free half and half doesn't exist. All right, half and half. Brown sugar, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla flavor. Okay, the first thing you're gonna need is a glass 1-quart jar. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our can of sweetened condensed milk, open it up, and pour it in. All right, take your sweetened condensed milk and just go ahead and pour it into the jar. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I don't have any help, so it's going to take a long time to pour this. And then we're going to take a spatula and scrape it out. Oh, help just came to the rescue. All right, next, take your half and half and fill it up.
Ew.
Just until the jar starts to bevel.
Hey,
So it looks like that.
Look at that stuff. Weird.
All right, next we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put in about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I just like to go ahead and just guesstimate a little more. All right, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And how many thirds in a whole, Chan?
3.
That's right. All right, then once you have all the ingredients in, we shake. Have them get the energy out one way or the other. And you'll notice the condensed cream won't start stirring right away. So sometimes you got to take and open it up and stir it with a spoon. Or if you're real good, you got a toy. All right, the immersion blender doesn't fit in that hole. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to stir it with a big fork to get the stuff moving on the bottom.
It's easy. As you go farther down, it gets harder.
Yeah, that's all thick. Hold this tight. He went to taste it. This is why Daddy loves coffee so much. I get a cup of creamer with a little bit of coffee.
I could taste something like marshmallow melted.
Tastes like a thick, creamy milkshake. All right. For the next time, Homeschool Dad, we are out.